The first website on the list of successful Amazon affiliate marketing websites earning at least $300,000 yearly is theprepared.com. Now, visually, this website is not that appealing, but don't let that fool you. The Prepared is a survivalist website founded by John Remy and John Adama, both former advisors at Obama's White House. Their site boasts a domain authority of 57, backed by a 7,100 backlinks or referring domain names, and ranks for 10,700 keywords that are in the top 50 positions in the US. The Prepared.com has an estimated traffic of over 254,000 visits in January of 2024, according to SimilarWeb. Although the Prepared's financials have not been disclosed publicly, however, we will use industry standard metrics to find out what this site makes. Hi guys, Precious here. Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to get started in affiliate marketing, check out my website blueenna.com, where you can launch ready-to-use starter templates with built-in top-selling affiliate products to give you a head start. Now you can start writing and start ranking on Google. There's also a content writing service if you want to build a passive, hands-free income stream. Our team will handle writing content for you all year round. You can also buy premium and expired domain names with backlinks and SEO juice. Basically, we provide everything you need to launch your affiliate website. Check blueenna.com today, links in the description. Let's get back into the video. So how much does the Prepared make? That's the million-dollar question, but before we get into that, let's find out what their secret sauce is. What makes them successful? Surely there are other types of websites in this niche, so what makes them stand out? This video is part of a new series I just started called Successful Niche Sites, so make sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you like contents like this. I'll be creating more videos in this series like this, so keep an eye out. So what makes the Prepared stand out? The simple answer is that they focus on evergreen content. In a niche as vast as the survivalist niche, where millions are preparing for anything from minor mishaps to potential doomsday scenarios, standing out is key. The Prepared nails it by honing in on timeless topics that garner consistent interest. Take their approach to reviewing products, for instance. They rigorously test each item before offering transparent, insightful reviews. If you want to build something as good as theirs, it all boils down to understanding the power of evergreen content. Think of articles like best post for products with lasting appeal. Hairdryer, for example, will always be needed, and as a result, ensuring a sustained interest and search demand. So how much do they make monthly? To find this, we're going to use the blueenna monthly affiliate earnings estimate calculator. The reason why we are using this tool is because it has industry standard metrics that can give us a fair estimate. It may not be right on the money, but it gets us close. So according to SimilarWeb, they get around 245,000 plus traffic monthly. More than half of that is coming from the US, which is great. Also, search traffic accounts for over 60% of their traffic. So to calculate their earnings, we'll use these values with the blueenna estimate calculator. I'll select the survival niche from the list. Amazon pays around 3% in affiliate sales, so the calculator accounts for that. For conversion rate, we don't know that, so we'll use the industry rates instead. Here, we have different rates offered by different statistics websites. So we'll try the lowest metrics first and then the highest ones after that, and then compare the results. So for the monthly values, using the lowest rates, it comes out to a little more than $21,341 per month, which translates to over $265,000 a year. Using the highest metrics, their monthly income comes out to $183,954. And if we do the yearly calculation, that translates to over $2.2 million yearly. Remember that these are estimates, so the real results will be somewhere in the middle. If you're looking for a good niche to settle on, you can use the blueenna Amazon earnings estimate calculator to find a profitable niche. Links in the description. Number 2 on the list is homeground.co. Homeground is an affiliate website dedicated to empowering baristas with the skills to brew exceptional coffee. What's their secret sauce? Let's break it down based on what Alex Azuri, the founder, shared. Firstly, Homeground strives on delivering problem-solving content that resonates with the coffee enthusiasts. rather than merely chasing keywords in a competitive market. Quality content reigns supreme. Secondly, they master the art of dissecting their competitors' strategies, identifying what works and integrating it into their approach. And lastly, they prioritize understanding search intent over solely focusing on search volume, leveraging tools like Ahrefs, Site Explorer, and Keywords Explorer to uncover valuable insights. So how can you replicate HomeGround's success? It's straightforward. Conduct thorough keyword research to unearth topics with significant traffic potential. Craft high-quality content that addresses real needs and resonates with your audience. Emulate your competitors' link building tactics to enhance your site's authority. According to SimilarWeb, this website gets 511,000 visits per month. Unlike theprepared.com, the US only accounts for a little over 39% of HomeGround's traffic. Search or organic traffic accounts for a little over 62% of their traffic. This website has a domain authority, also known as DA, of 57. It has 13.4 thousand backlinks and ranks for over 13,000 keywords that are within the top 50 positions in the US. They have backlinks from the New York Times, which is a DA69 website, and links from other prominent websites as well. Majority of their backlinks are from DA1 to 10 websites, and their second largest links are from DA11 to 20 websites. Backlinks are great to have, especially if you want to get started in affiliate marketing, as it can help your articles rank faster. You can find niche specific expired domain names with DA and backlinks when you launch your affiliate website using our starter templates on blueenna.com. With blueenna.com, you have all you need to launch a successful affiliate website, including content creation. Check out blueenna.com, links in the description. Let's get back into the video. Using the Blueenna Amazon Earnings Estimate Calculator, using the metrics with the lowest values, this website makes $30,660 monthly. That translates to around $367,992 yearly. If we use the more aggressive metrics, this website makes more than $59,000 monthly, which translates to more than $711,000 yearly. It's important to note that HomeGround earns from AdSense and other coffee-related affiliate products in addition to the Amazon affiliate program. Hope you found this video interesting and helpful, especially if you're looking to get your feet wet in the world of affiliate marketing. There are dozens of videos like this that I'm working on, so make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.